Language 806, Lesson 7. I'm going to be learning again about noun clauses. In Book 5, we started with noun clauses, and here we're just going a step further. First of all, we learned that noun clauses can be functioning as a subject and direct object. Now, we will be learning that there's two other ways. They can function as a predicate nominative and an object of preposition. So, first of all, noun clauses, we know that there's three different types of clauses. There's adjective clauses, adverb clauses, noun clauses. Now, noun clauses, there's a list, and I'm not sure if you can see this, if it will clear there or not, but right there in your lesson, it has the list. And I'm going to go over them with you, and then I will explain with 3 words that they're different. That, I'm going to be going down the rows. That, whether, if, who, whom, which, what, whoever, whomever, whichever, whatever. So, the first line, that, whether, and if. Those are not a part, they have no grammatical part in the sentence. So where'd my chalk go? Right here it is. So in a diagram, that, whether, and if go up there. I believe we know that. So let's bracket some noun clauses here. So where's the noun clause? Well, we look over our list and say that, oh, there it is. Spot them in both, in number 1 and 2. These are just examples. I don't think they're in here anywhere. And then, here they are. So, this one, well, normally we bracket them. I should probably do that same thing instead of underlining. There. Plenty of rest is what the doctor ordered. Give the pamphlet to whoever is interested. So, is a linking verb, therefore we cannot have a direct object. Direct objects go with action verbs. Since this is a linking verb, this has to be a predicate nominative. So you'd write PN on top. Now the next one, give the pamphlet to whoever is interested. To is a preposition, therefore this entire thing functions as an object of the preposition. So these two are the ones we're going to be we're taking a look at today. So in number 1, list 4 ways noun clauses can function within the sentence. So the 2 that we learned earlier were, go ahead and fill them in before I say them. Direct object and subject. And the 2 that we learned today are, and that one. Perfect. So, now if we go on to number 2 to 6, it says bracket each noun clause, tell whether each is functioning as a predicate nominative or an object of preposition. Now, these ones will be simpler because all you have to do is take a look at that list of names, of words right there. And then those begin these noun clauses. And go ahead and put them in parentheses or brackets, I think it says. And then label, is it functioning as a predicate nominative? The predicate nominatives always come after a linking verb. Or is it functioning as an object of preposition where there's first a preposition and then our introductory word? So that's something that you could do. That's something that you need to do in numbers 1 to 6. Now from number 7 to 9, you're supposed to do the same thing. Now they're just giving you the options of either subject, direct object, predicate nominative, or object of preposition. So there you have more options to go for. So the subject would be at the beginning. There's one of those. I just spotted it. And then there's direct object after an action verb. And then there is predicate nominative, as I said, comes after a linking verb, and direct object starts with, not a direct object, object of preposition. And that one starts with a preposition. And on the next page, there's the instructions that say, go back to numbers 2 to 9 and circle the introductory words in each clause. Basically, circle these words in each clause. Go ahead and do that. And now, underneath, in number 10 to 12, you need to do the same thing. Bracket the noun clauses as we did here, and then circle the introductory word, and underline the subject and the verb. The author, ordered. Oh, that's not a verb. So underline the subject once and the verb twice. Go ahead and do the rest of the lesson on your own. If you need help, let me know.